Hi, I'm Amber WTI, and I just love to wake up gradually with the sun, but unfortunately I have to get up super early for my job, so I love this lamp. I love that I can choose the color. There's 14 different colors to choose from, and they are all so beautiful. It's very easy to set. There's 2 alarm settings, so you can set it for weekend or during the week. I love that. I can flip them back and forth, just set them and leave them and forget it. The snooze button is 9 minutes, and it's a nice big snooze button right at the top, so it's really easy to use. I was finding with another device I was using, it was way too easy to shut off the alarm, and I ended up sleeping in and almost late for work a couple times. You can choose from 7 different sounds, and also you can choose the radio. So if you want to gradually feel like you're gradually waking up like you would with the sun, you'll set it for maybe 60 minutes. You can go anywhere from 10 minutes to 60 minutes for the gradual brightness to start. And I hate sleeping with light on. I love waking up to light, but I hate sleeping with light on. So I love with this, I can actually turn the clock off completely. So I don't have to have a bright light in my room when I want it to be pitch black while I'm trying to sleep at night. If you're looking to replace your old style noisy alarm clock, I strongly suggest you get this one. You will not be disappointed. And that is my point of view.